प्लस का कलर कैसा होता है? फॉर इवेल्युएशन ऑफ cbse practicals, 3 experiments. One is volumetric analysis, which is 8 marks. Second is salt analysis, in which you determine the cation and anion, which are also of 8 marks. And third one is content based experiment, which is of 6 marks, which constitutes the given functional group present in organic compound. After then, activities or investigatory project, it is of 4 marks, and viva, that is of 4 marks. Total is 30 marks. Remind the cation and anion for given inorganic compound. For this, you use standard solutions and reagents for determining the cation and anion of given salt, in which for cation and anion each salt constitutes with primary test and confirmatory test. So all the primary and secondary test for the given cation and anion is done, in which we determine the particular ions which are present in given inorganic compound. In third experiment, you have to identify the given functional group in given organic compound. For this, also primary and confirmatory test of particular functional group are known in chemistry laboratory, and you determine the strength, you determine the functional group present in organic compounds such as alcohol, phenol, aldehyde, ketone, and aniline, amine.